So Lato.
Not Lato, Leto.
Oh, Leto.
Yes.
Not Lato.
Yeah.
Okay, Leto.
Yeah.
So how long have you been driving?
How long?
Yeah,
Have you been like working with the
taxi.
See, 10 years.
10 years already.
Long time.
Now I'm come back driving taxi because I go to Saudi Arabia.
Oh.
You went there and came back?
I come back driving taxi.
Oh, what did you do in Saudi Arabia?
Maintenance, Aramco.
Oh, okay.
You maintenance guy.
So we're heading to the Seaside SM Mall, right? SM Seaside. Yeah, and Leto is our driver. Leto, say hello to our friends. Yeah, that's Leto and G in the front.
Hello.
Yeah, hi.
Me and Leto in the front. Hello.
Grainger and Mr. Leto. So, tell us, Leto, how many kilometers we're driving to?
How many kilometers from Sano?
Yeah.
Maybe 20.
20 kilometers?
20 kilometers.
Okay. Almost an hour drive, right?
Yeah, almost an hour drive.
This is Cebu in the Philippines.
Yeah, Cebu.
Yeah.
Cebu City.
Cebu City.
Second largest in Philippines.
Yeah? G. Second largest.
Second largest city in Philippines.
True.
Leto, right?
After Manila. Yeah?
Yep.
Wow. Cool stuff.
So
Yes.
Leto, one liter fuel here, how much?
The hair is 52.
50? Okay.
50 peso for 1 liter.
1 liter.
Fuel. Petrol. Stuff.
In Saudi Arabia, 1 liter, 1 real.
It's really cheap. Because
Philippines too much.
Because they make
they
fuel
have
oil.
gas there. Ah,
Is it? So that's it. We'll catch you when you get back to the mall. Get back to the mall when we get to the mall. All right. So let us say bye. Say bye to our friends again.
Bye.
Jay. Yeah. We'll catch you on the other side. Okay. Bye.